It's the day of my bridal shower. This is crazy. Today is Saturday, August 1st. The weather looks beautiful, which is great because we're gonna be outdoors today. And I'm getting together a small little group with some of my friends and my family to celebrate. I'm getting a pretty early start today. It's 7:30 a.m. Bridal shower starts at 11 and I just wanted to take you guys along for the day. First wedding festivity. This is so crazy. It definitely hasn't hit me yet. Like, I understand I'm going to a bridal shower, but I don't think it's hit me that it's like my bridal shower. Bridal shower, bridal shower. Look at this beautiful weather. Yay. It's gonna be a great day. Don't be alarmed. Just looking absolutely horrifying right now. Latte for Micah. And for me, a nice cup of cold brew. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna start getting ready. Going to begin with my hair, which I don't know what I want to do yet. It is a little windy today, so I'm kind of leaning towards putting it up. I'm still gonna curl it though, just so whether I end up doing like a ponytail or an updo, the ends are kind of curled. I tend to have a meltdown every time I try to do my hair for a special event because I don't think that doing my hair is one of my strong suits. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit of abracadabra, work some magic. We'll chat once I get started on my makeup because I'm just feeling all types of ways today. It's so crazy. So we'll have a little chat. Get ready with me for my bridal shower. Oh, you guys, this is crazy. I had a very sudden wave of emotions hit me as I was doing my hair. I was like, oh my gosh, the day is here. The day that begins all the bridal events. This is, you know, the one time that I'll ever like get ready for my bridal shower. And it's just crazy. I feel like even through all the planning that I've been doing and preparing for the wedding, it hasn't really hit me that I'm the one. First wave of tears of the wedding season has hit. Actually, that's a lie. First wave of tears came the other night when Micah's family took me out to dinner. Unbeknownst to me, this was like a whole thing that they planned. I thought it was just a normal family dinner. They wanted to take me out to give me like an early wedding gift, which is so cute. They were like, we couldn't wait till the wedding. They gifted me the most thoughtful, beautiful gift. It is this Hawaiian heirloom bracelet that says my new last name on it. And that is when the tears of the wedding season started. If you're from here, you know how big of a deal it is to get one of these bracelets. It's typically something that's passed down. They were saying they hope to start a new tradition that I can pass this down one day. It says, with love, Mom and Dad Pashan, and then our wedding date on it. You wanna come in, buddy? You wanna come in? You can come in. Hello. We were all crying. It was a very sentimental and meaningful moment. And it was also kind of a moment where I was like, oh my gosh, like it kind of made me realize the magnitude of what this marriage means in terms of our families and really becoming a part of each other's family. I get to see a lot of my friends today. I think total there's 14 of us, obviously missing a few key members of friends that don't live here, but I'm so excited to celebrate with the people who live here and who are able to come today. My aunt from New York is also here, which is so exciting. I haven't seen her since last October when my mom and I were in New York to see family and go wedding dress shopping. So it's so nice that she's also here. It's just the girls today, which I am so excited about. And again, it's just like crazy to me. I feel like it didn't hit me until this morning. I was like, this is literally the start. because today's August 1st. And oh my goodness, literally in October, we are getting married, which suddenly feels so close. I feel like for so long, it felt like this distant date, but now it is just like coming up so fast. My amazing parents are giving me this bridal shower, and my mom has taken the head of planning, which is so nice because I can kind of just show up and enjoy. This is like the one wedding event where I really don't have much part in it other than showing up. So I know the past few days she's been like running around doing errands and picking up stuff. I don't know what she's been doing. I'm really looking forward to seeing how it all turns out. I think it's gonna turn out absolutely perfect. I'm so grateful that we have good weather today because it is outdoors. I told myself when I woke up this morning, I was like, okay, when we open the curtains, no matter what the weather looks like, it's gonna be a great day. But I saw blue skies. I was like, thank you. Got my nails done the other day, which my sister treated me to. These are some claws. Definitely a little longer than I normally go, but I think it looks really pretty. I did like a sheer pink with chrome. So that was a fun little sister day, and I'm just so excited to see everyone. I feel like I haven't seen some of these friends in a while. Life has just been so busy, honestly, just for everyone in my life. So it'll be nice to have everyone in one place and just get to hang out. I'm gonna do a layer of one size setting spray. First layer of many. Can't have this shit going anywhere. To my core, I am just such an emotional person, and once I feel it, I've gotta express it. Like, I'm not someone who can just feel these things and not have a visceral physical reaction. Like, I will sob if I need to, and I don't doubt that's probably gonna happen at some point today. So I'm gonna do everything I can to make sure the face stays on. I'm actually really liking how this is turning out right now, thank goodness. I don't know if anyone else feels like this, but some days, even if you're doing the exact same thing as you normally do, some days are just a good makeup day, and some days you're like, who is this girl in the mirror? Fortunately, today is not one of those days, I don't think. I'm gonna do a little bit of green eyeliner. My goal for today is just enjoy every second of it, to take it all in, because I just know that today kind of marks the start of like all the festivities coming up and happening, and I don't want to let time just like slip me by. I really want to be present. I really want to be in the moment and just take it all in. This is a season that, you know, only happens once in your life. I just want to enjoy it all. I'm also going to take a risk and put on mascara. This is the Merit tubing mascara. I feel like a lot of brands are starting to come out with tubing mascaras, which those are my favorite because it doesn't smudge. Even if you cry, like if it gets wet, it kind of just flakes off, so it's easier to swoop out of the way. So I've been using tubing mascara for the last few years and haven't used a regular one since. I can't wait to show you guys my dress. Oh my gosh. This is my recent favorite lip combo. It is Urban Decay's lip liner 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Uptight, which I'm gonna throw in my purse. And then this Seichu Double Down Lip Definer. And this is really creamy. It goes on really nice. It kind of has like two colors. I don't know if you can see on the tip, but one is like slightly darker. So you're supposed to put the darker side towards the outer part of your lip and then the lighter side towards your inner. But it's a really pretty color. This is in the shade Keep It Pink. I think that's it. Okay, pardon the mess. That's Micah's suit. This is my dress. Dress reveal. Oh my gosh, it's literally perfect. You guys, this is crazy. I love this dress so much. Oh my gosh, I still have the tag on it. This is a Jenny U dress. It's not exactly a full-on maxi dress, but I feel like it's not quite a midi dress. It's kind of somewhere in between, but I really liked that it didn't go all the way to the ground. I feel like it makes it a little more casual. But I saw this dress, absolutely fell in love with it. I love the dropped waist. This is the Joanna dress. I went shopping at the Jenny U store in New York when I was looking for my wedding dress. They had a beautiful showroom. That whole experience was so nice, and they were kind enough to gift this to me, and I'm also working with them on Instagram, which is so crazy. So I'm gonna get some cute pictures in this today, which I am absolutely stoked about. I feel so lucky. Let me grab my shoes that I'm gonna wear with this. I'm pretty sure I've shown this to you guys before, but these are Dolce Vita little white ballet flats that have a little block heel, which I thought was so cute Love the bow detail. I think it's super pretty and feminine, and the 2 little straps. Let's get a full look. We're here. The roles have reversed. I'm the one in white. This is crazy.
Thank the Lord.
Oh my gosh. You guys, we got like a little glimpse of
did you show
the setup.
Did you show the fit already?
Yeah, I showed the fit.
Okay,
But we'll show them like
go.
out there.
Okay, go.
It looks
It's
really cute.
so cute. I want to see it up close.
I know, I do
dying
too.
to
I'm like
see it.
shaking. I'm so
Yeah,
excited.
we turned the corner and I was like, wait, is that yours? And you're like, wait, is that mine?
And I'm like, yeah.
It was so cute.
Guys, Nia's in pink. You guys don't know like the cultural significance of this because she only wears like brown.
But Ava's in white. She looks so good. You guys already saw it, but she looks so
y'all
good.
see this.
Y'all saw it already. I'm so excited.
Okay, should we go?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. I want to see it so bad.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Yay!
Oh my god.
This is crazy.
Do you want a reaction?
Sure.
Yeah. I'm like, should I blindfold you?
Yes. This feels so dramatic.
I'm screaming.
Hey, this feels crazy. Watch out!
I'm not gonna trip. I'm the filmer. Hi.
You can hug.
Hi.
I'm like, you may hug.
Wait, this is from the bridal shop?
Jenny, you.
Whoa, Ava, excuse me, so sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta
Who made the first move?
Micah.
Correct.
In 8th grade.
She studied.
Who is more competitive?
Micah.
Micah. Who has the biggest sweet tooth?
Ava. Okay, y'all, down.
We're winning.
Who says I love you the most?
Micah.
Wow. I was hoping.
locked in.
Who is the better cook?
Micah.
Sorry.
Oh, period. Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. And you know what? Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, who laughs the hardest?
Ava.
Love you.
Love that laugh.
Who hogs the bed?
Ava. Maka.
Who said I love you first?
Ava. Unfortunately. Like, on accident. You guys, bridal shower is done. That was so much fun. It honestly went by in such a flash. I have my massive bouquet. Was not expecting something of this magnitude. It's literally the size of my body. My wonderful fiance showed up, and now we're gonna go get some food with his mom, sister, and cousin, which will be really nice. Yay, I'm gonna get to eat here. Actual shot. I'm home. I'm in my cozies. I figured it's time I can start wearing my bridal clothes like this. So I thought it'd be fun to do a little bridal shower haul. I have all the goodies right here. I literally feel like it's Christmas. I was not expecting the girls to go hard, and I'm feeling very spoiled right now, but I'm so excited. I thought it'd be fun to do a good old-fashioned unboxing. And then on this chair, I have the biggest bouquet I've ever seen and received in my life from Micah. Hi, honey. We'll have a little guest here as I do this as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. First gift. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Where's that from?
Sophia, that is the most beautiful vase I've seen. Oh, the color matches our house perfectly too. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the one from my mom. My mom took me shopping to pick out some beautiful dresses. She wants to get Micah a matching shirt for one of them. It's this strapless pinky maxi dress with flowers. What do you think? What do you think?
It's beautiful.
Can bring this on our honeymoon. And this one I thought was so cute because I don't really have anything like it, but it's like a little
That's pretty.
baby doll dress. Yes. Watch out, Maka. Wait, I forget who it was, but someone was like, I didn't put my name on it, but that's for me. That is delicious.
Awesome.
A little perfume, Victoria's Secret. I literally feel like I'm doing a what I got for Christmas haul right now. Like this is literally the setup I do as well. So this is feeling funny. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. This also doesn't have a name on it. Who got me this? This is so cute.
Oh, hell yeah.
Not too much. Cute. These little icon cups are my favorite. This one has little shells on it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Why'd she pop off? Oh, that smells insane. Anthropology candle. I love their candles. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, girl. This is from Maddie. This is so sweet. Not the triple dipper gift. Oh my gosh. Wait, that's so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. It has little Eva birds on it. That's so cute. I love it. Aw. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I literally feel like I'm being like showered with gifts right now. What the heck? This is nuts. That's Nevaeh's gift.
Yeah.
That's so cute. I don't know if you guys remember, this is like so niche, but Micah's cousin, like the past, what, 3 Christmases, has made like handmade clay gifts or just like handmade crochet. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen and it's green. Aww. That is so cute. And she made us fridge magnets and now we have an A and M magnet. Wait, that's so cute. And yours is orange because your favorite color is orange. Guys, this is going on the fridge immediately. This is like, it's so nice when you're a crafty person and you can like make thoughtful gifts like this. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. What the heck? Has an M for Micah. Little dish. Shower steamer, hand sanitizer. Oh my goodness. Ooh, love these. Pimple patches. This is like a honeymoon kit. Eye patches. Oh my gosh. And then, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, shit.
Hello.
Let's go.
Cheryl, this is a cover up. She ate it up.
Hideaway.
Love a handwritten note. Hey, we got a gift card to Barnes and Noble. I saved the last gift from Nia, addressed to wife. This is a nickname that goes back to us being in high school. And that was just like our nicknames for each other. And I feel like our grandparents didn't like understand that it was a joke. And they were just like really confused by that. And they were like, is this your girlfriend? First line, can't believe we're getting divorced. Ooh la la. Oh. Like, can I show this on camera? What is this?
Let's go.
Oh shit.
We going to the hideaway.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Maka's tail's like wagging. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I love everything. This is so sweet. Love my friends. Love my family. Love my new family. That was such a fun day. And it's over. But it's really just beginning. That's crazy. What a day.